Welcome to Gear Shift Auto Parts. If you're looking to buy a used engine, you want to make sure you're getting the best deal without sacrificing quality. In today's video, we'll break down everything you need to check before buying a used engine to avoid costly mistakes. Stay tuned! Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert tips on used auto parts, engines, and transmissions. Hit that like button if you find this video helpful. Check for physical damage. The first thing you want to do is inspect the engine closely. Look for leaks. Oil, coolant, or transmission fluid leaks can indicate serious problems. Cracks or rust. A cracked engine block means big trouble. Rust is another red flag. Burned or melted parts. This could mean the engine has overheated in the past. Tip: a clean engine doesn't always mean a good engine. Sometimes, sellers clean them up to hide problems. Verify the engine's compatibility. Not all engines fit all cars. Before buying, check the engine code found on the engine block, your vehicle's make, model, and year. Transmission compatibility. Some engines are specific to automatic or manual transmissions. Getting the wrong engine can cost you extra time and money, so double-check before making a purchase. Ask about mileage. Engine history. Lower mileage equals longer lifespan. Ideally, aim for engines with under 100,000 miles. Accident history. Engines from rear or side collision vehicles are usually in better condition than those from front-end collisions. Maintenance records. A well-maintained engine is a good engine. Pro tip: avoid engines that sat and used for years. They might have seized internal components. Get a warranty. A warranty is your safety net. Always buy from sellers that offer at least a 30 to 90-day warranty. This shows they trust their product and gives you peace of mind. Choose a trusted seller. Don't just buy from anyone. Always purchase from reputable sellers with good reviews, return policies, quality inspections. At Gear Shift Auto Parts, we thoroughly inspect every engine before selling it, so you can buy with confidence. Loving these tips? Subscribe now for more expert advice on buying used auto parts, engines, and transmissions. Check for missing parts. An engine isn't just one piece, it comes with sensors, wiring harnesses, and mounts. If parts are missing, you might spend more than you expected. Tip: ask the seller exactly what comes with the engine before buying. Beware of deals that seem too good to be true. If an engine's price seems suspiciously low, ask yourself why. It could have hidden damage, no warranty, been rebuilt poorly. Remember, cheap now could mean expensive later. At Gear Shift Auto Parts, we specialize in high-quality used engines, transmissions, and auto parts. Need help finding the perfect used engine? Give us a call at 855-475-5657. Email us at info@gearshiftauto.parts. Visit our website. Thanks for watching.